If a lab report or foamy urine has you worried about proteinuria, you're not alone and you're not powerless. Today, you'll learn 9 science-informed drinks that can support kidney function, help reduce protein spillage, and protect your filtration system over time. We'll cover why proteinuria happens, who should be cautious with certain ingredients, practical recipes, shopping tips, and a 7-day rotation you can start immediately. What proteinuria really means. Proteinuria is excess protein in the urine. Albuminuria is a subtype that specifically refers to albumin. In a typical adult, a full 24-hour urine collection contains 150 milligrams of total protein. 150 to 500 milligrams is often considered moderate. 500 milligrams is severe. Many people have no symptoms. Others may notice foamy urine, puffy eyelids or ankles, or a subtle weight jump from fluid. Temporary bumps can follow intense exercise, fever, or acute illness, but persistent elevation calls for action. Root drivers that injure kidneys and raise urinary protein. High blood pressure, mechanical stress damages. Glomerular walls. High blood sugar. Diabetes injures tiny vessels and filtration barriers. Unhealthy cholesterol, atherosclerosis. Reduced blood flow starves kidney tissue. Taming these 3 reduces ongoing injury and helps proteinuria trend down. How to use these drinks. These drinks are supportive, not replacements for medical treatment. If you live with CKD, potassium, phosphorus, sodium, and total fluid may need tailoring. Some of the options here are naturally high in potassium. A few can affect stone risk or interact with medications. Keep your care team in the loop and personalize your plan. Countdown. The top 9 kidney-friendly drinks: 9-berry smoothie, strawberry plus blueberry. With optional acai or honeysuckle, why it helps. Berries are rich in anthocyanins and vitamin C that counter oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 forces that erode the filtration barrier. Their soluble fiber helps lower LDL cholesterol by binding bile acid core, benefits for kidneys, and proteinuria enchant protection for glomerular cells. Gut-friendly fiber to improve lipid profile. Gentle lower potassium fruit choice compared with many tropical juices. Simple recipe: 1 serving, 1/2 cup strawberries, fresh or frozen, 1/2 cup blueberries, fresh or frozen, 1/2 cup pineapple or pear, gentle sweetness, 1/2 small banana for creaminess, optional, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or cold water, optional, 1 teaspoon ground flax or chia blend until smooth. Keep total volume approximately 2 cups to avoid sugar overload. If you're limiting potassium, skip or reduce banana and add a few ice cubes for texture. Buying in prep tips: fresh or frozen, both work. If not organic, rinse thoroughly. Acai is often sold as unsweetened puree or powder void added sugars. 8. Turmeric golden milk. Why it helps. Curcumin, turmeric's active compound, downregulates inflammatory pathways and oxidative stress associated with glomerular leak. Black pepper dramatically improves curcumin absorption. Warm mug recipe: 1 cup milk or unsweetened plant milk, 1 to 2 teaspoons turmeric powder. Start with 1 pinch of freshly ground black pepper, pinch of cinnamon, optional, light drizzle of honey or maple syrup, optional, warm gently for approximately 10 minutes. Whisking occasionally, avoid boiling. Good to no culinary. Amounts are generally well tolerated. High-dose supplements can raise bleeding risk and upset the stomach. Discuss with your clinician, especially if you take blood thinners. During pregnancy, breastfeeding. Keep turmeric to food-level amounts unless advised otherwise. 7. Pomegranate juice. Why it helps. Pomegranate provides punicalagins, anthocyanins, and other polyphenols that support vascular health and modestly lower blood pressure, reducing stress on the filtration barrier. How to drink. Use fresh arils when possible, or choose 100% pomegranate juice with no added sugar. Start with 1/2 cup and dilute to taste with still or sparkling water. Cautions naturally high in potassium. Advanced CKD often requires limits. Some dialysis regimens remove potassium efficiently, and needs differ. Post-transplant or complex medication regimens warrant a clinician check for interaction. 6. Lemon water. Why? It helps. Lemons supply vitamin C and citrate, which binds calcium in the gut and may reduce calcium oxalate stone formation. Antioxidants support vascular health and may help stabilize post-meal glucose. When part of balanced meals daily routines, squeeze 1/2 to 1 lemon into 8 to 12 ounces water in the morning or before meals. For sensitive teeth, use a straw and rinse with plain water afterward. Buying and prep heavier. Thin-skinned lemons are juicier. Freeze extra juice in small cubes for quick use. 5. Cucumber juice or cucumber-forward green juice. Why it helps? About 95% water. Cucumbers deliver light hydration with minimal sugar, plus quercetin and apigenin. Gentle diuretic effects and fluid balance support healthy blood pressure. Green refresher. 1 to 2 servings, 1 large cucumber, 1 to 2 celery stalks, optional. Mind sodium. If salt sensitive, 1/2 green apple or pear for balanced juice of 1/2 lemonade. Few slices of fresh ginger, optional. Cold water to blend. Strain if you prefer a lighter texture. Shopping tip. Choose firm cucumbers with consistent medium to dark green color. Avoid yellow patches. Beetroot juice, light and balanced. Why it helps? Beets are rich in nitrates, gives nitric oxide, improving endothelial function and easing blood pressure. Betalains and vitamin C add antioxidant support. Kidney Smart Pour Start with 1/2 cup beet juice diluted 1 to 1 with water or lemon water. Pair with lower potassium choices during the day. If you have potassium limits, cautions high potassium and high oxalates. If you must limit potassium or you form calcium oxalate stones, enjoy small, infrequent servings and hydrate well. Bitoria, pink urine stool, can occur and is harmless. 3. Ginger Thai, it helps. Ginger's gingerols and shagols are potent antioxidants with anti-inflammatory effects. Human data suggests benefits for blood sugar, lipids, and blood pressure. Indirect wins for kidneys and protein handling. Stovetop, 1-2 inches fresh ginger. Sliced or lightly smashed. 3 cups water, simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and add a squeeze of lemon if you like. Avoid sugary ginger beverages. Ginger supplements are potent. Discuss dosing if you're on blood thinners or have procedures planned. 2. Cranberry juice. Why? It helps. Proanthocyanins in cranberries make it harder for bacteria to adhere to urinary tract walls, helping reduce UTI risk, a common disruptor of kidney health. Cranberries are typically low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. How to drink it. Choose unsweetened 100% cranberry juice. Dilute 1 to 1 or 1 to 2. With still or sparkling water, fit the volume into your daily fluid goal and keep sugars in check. 1. Green Thai, it helps. Catechins, especially EGCG, counter oxidative stress, support vascular function, and may assist with glucose and lipid control, protecting the filtration barrier over time. Best practices. May. For 2 to 4 cups day. Earlier in the day, reduce nocturia risk. Brew loose leaf if possible, with hot, not boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, neutral pH. Low mineral water yields smoother flavor and better catechin stability. Caffeine. Note: approximately 30 to 50 milligrams per 8 ounces cup. Most people should stop caffeine by mid-afternoon to protect sleep. Deeper dive. Why these drinks fit a Kidney Smart pattern. Antioxidants, anthocyanins, catechins, punicalagins. Vitamin C help neutralize free radicals that harm the filtration membrane. Anti-inflammatory effects, curcumin. Gingerols help calm immune-driven injury to glomeruli and tubules. Vasoprotection and BP support, beet nitrates. Polyphenols ease the mechanical strain that pushes protein across the filter. Metabolic support, green tea, catechins. Ginger. Lemon with meals helps blunt post-meal glucose, lipid spikes that otherwise expedite. Kidney damage, UTI prevention. Cranberry. Reduces infection-related setbacks in kidney function. Practical pairings and timming front-load fluids. Take most liquids by mid-afternoon to reduce nighttime bathroom trips. Pair with meals. Adding lemon water, green tea, or a small smoothie with food can blunt glucose spikes and improve satiety. Sugar Smart. Favor whole fruit smoothies over straight fruit juice. Watch portion sizes to cups. Smoothie is usually plenty. Electrolyte awareness. If you have potassium limits. Alternate higher potassium drinks. Pomegranate. Beat with lower potassium options. Cranberry, lemon water, green tea. 7-day Kidney Smart Drink. Rotation day 1 morning. Green tea lunch. Berry smoothie evening. Ginger today to morning. Lemon water lunch. Cucumber juice mid-afternoon. Green tea day 3 morning. Golden milk turmeric. Lunch. Unsweetened cranberry spritzer 1:1. Evening. Ginger tea day for morning. Green tea lunch. Pomegranate juice 1/2 cup. Diluted late afternoon. Lemon water day 5 morning. Lemon water. Lunch beet lemon. Mix 1/2 cup beet juice. 1/2 cup water. Lemon water evening. Ginger tea day 6 morning. Green tea. Lunch. Cucumber plus lemon refresher. Mid-afternoon. Cranberry splash day 7. Morning. Golden milk lunch. Berry smoothie. Evening. Green tea. Choose decaf if sensitive. Swap days or drinks based on your potassium target. Glucose response, caffeine tolerance, stone history, and fluid plan. Grocery and pantry checklist. Produce strawberries, blueberries, lemons, cucumbers. Small, medium beets, fresh ginger, pears, or apples. A little pineapple pantry turmeric. Black pepper, cinnamon, green tea, loose leaf. Flax or chia beverages, unsweetened 100% cranberry juice, 100% pomegranate juice. No added sugar, bases in sweetened almond, soy, oat milk, or dairy. If tolerated, optional unsweetened acai puree or powder plain. Sparkling water for spritzerspications and personalization. Guy turmeric, curcumin, food level. Amounts are fine for most. High-dose supplements can increase bleeding risk and cause GI upset. Discuss with your clinician, especially with blood thinners, acids, and enamel. Dilute lemon juice. Sip with a straw, then rinse. Potassium management. Pomegranate and beet juices are potassium-rich. Early CKD potassium targets vary. Advanced CKD often requires limits. Dialysis can change needs. Align with your labs and clinician guidance. Oxalates. If you've had calcium oxalate stones, keep beet servings small and hydrate well. Sugar load. Use unsweetened bases. Choose whole fruit smoothies over large glasses of straight juice. Drug interactions. Pomegranate can interact with certain meds. Green tea may reduce non-heme iron absorption if taken with iron-rich meal space intake if advised. Caffeine and sleep. Nocturia. Stop caffeine by mid-afternoon. Taper evening fluids. Frequently asked questions: will these drinks lower proteinuria on their own? They help by reducing inflammation, oxidative stress, supporting blood pressure and metabolic control, and minimizing infection risk, but they don't replace medication or disease management. Expect improvements as part of a full plan. How long until I notice changes? Highly individual. When BP, glucose, and lipids improve and you consistently use anti-inflammatory antioxidant foods, urine protein can trend down over weeks to months. Your clinician will recheck urine protein, albumin, and eGFR. Smoothie versus juice. Smoothies usually win thanks to fiber. Keep portions modest and favor low sugar mixes. What about nighttime urination? Reduce evening fluids, avoid late caffeine, and cluster most drinks earlier in the day. If nocturia persists, especially with burning, fever, blood in urine, or flank pain, seek care. Action plans start today. Pick 2 drinks from the list that fit your goals and labs. Make them weekly staples. Time them earlier in the day and watch energy, swelling, and sleep. Track what you drink for a week and bring the log to your next visit to fine-tune potassium, phosphorus, and fluid targets. Seek medical care urgently for fever, flank pain, blood in urine, severe swelling, chest pain, or shortness of breath. Conclusion: Proteinuria is a warning light, not a destiny. By addressing blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol, and adding kidney-smart drinks, berry smoothies, turmeric milk, pomegranate juice, lemon water, cucumber juice, beetroot juice, ginger tea, cranberry juice, and green tea can meaningfully support your kidneys. Personalize with your care team. Use the 7-day rotation and grocery list, and begin today. Stay informed, stay healthy.